Good morning, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kayla and Ben will be here soon. And today we are in Patagonia, in El Calafate to be specific, and we are going to be hiking on a glacier today. So the Perito Moreno Glacier. We are going to see it and we are going to be trekking on it for a couple hours today. So that's really exciting. That's an activity that we've never done before. It is a group activity, so you will see a bunch of other people with us. However, I don't think they even give the option for private tours. But it should be really fun. It's an all-day adventure. It's 7:10 in the morning right now. We're getting ready to go downstairs to get picked up by the driver to take us there, and we're not going to get back until 6 p.m. tonight. So a long day. The hotel packed our lunches for us, and it should be a really good day. Follow along, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for more adventures in the future. We're in our taxi. We're gonna pick up a couple more people. I thought it was like a huge group transfer, but it's just like us and a couple other people in a private taxi. But yeah, I think it's like an hour drive, so we have quite a long taxi drive to get to the place. So we're gonna hop on a boat and go over, drive like 20 minutes on a boat to get to part of the glacier, and then we're gonna get suited up and then hike 30 minutes to get to the point where we're gonna go on the glacier, and then I think we're gonna trek for 2 hours or so. And then after that, I don't really know.
I also think that the glacier portion of this and the boat portion of this is shared with a larger group. It's not a small group. So I think when I looked on this stuff earlier, I think it said up to 20 people. So it won't be huge, but it won't be small either.
It'll be fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. The reason I'm saying that is that may make it a little bit harder for us to like stop and film things. So we may have to be a little bit more like...
less talking points. More like
viewpoints.
voiceovers.
Less talking points, more viewpoints.
Sucked in my hair. We're here, got 10 minutes to go potty, and then we're gonna get on a boat.
Yes, same reservation.
O-H-E.
That is Benjamin?
Si.
And Kayla.
Yes.
Very good. Guys,
Yes.
come in.
So this is the boat that we're taking all the way to the glacier.
So you have a typical Patagonian day today. You don't know, it's so windy, a little bit sunny, a little bit raining, all together.
Back to land.
Yep.
kilometers long in the middle of the Andes, 80 kilometers wide in the north part. Okay? Icefields belong to Patagonia. Patagonia is all this area, 4,500 kilometers long. Okay? Between Chile and Argentina, advanced 3 meters per day. Okay, in the central part.
So one of the crazy things is where we're standing right now. 6 years ago, you could start the mini trekking from here, but now it's still like another 300 meters away from us where we're going to start mini trekking. So it's crazy to think how fast glaciers are shrinking, like in periods of our lifetime. Like we're losing entire like hiking areas that we used to have access to in like 2018, 2019 that we no longer have access to. It's crazy.
Okay, this viewpoint is a bit better to show how big the glacier is, with 150 meters above the water and 110 below the water. This glacier is massive. It's like 80 kilometers wide. It's just like a little like finger of the actual glacier. We can show you how big the glacier actually is with a graphic, but massive, really, really massive. So windy and cold. That was really cool. The big chunk fell off. Yeah, it was really cool.
The air, and hour start to transform in white ice. No? But now it's possible to see the blue ice, the very density ice.
Ooh, these are fun to walk in.
Yeah,
It's like high heels, but
weights
worse.
on I'm like waddling like a penguin in these. Keep your feet wide apart. They're like 2-inch spikes. They're like hardcore.
Yeah, we're big.
Hardcore. we didn't have helmets on, our hats would have been gone a long time ago. It's so windy.
No, I got it covered. Fine, you guys look alone now.
Let's say we got our glacier water now.
Yeah, check.
Check. Bing. Got my glacier water here. It's so cold.
Is it really cold?
Yeah.
It's good. Really cold.
Nice cold glacier water. It's very refreshing. This is crazy blue.
Whew, sketchy. With some deep crevasses.
Camping.
What is it, Kayla?
Bonbon. Chocolate with
They
peanuts.
call it a whiskey, but
I love chocolate.
sorry. Let's go away.
That was really fun. We went up and around a bit, and it wasn't just like an up and down thing, and we ended it with a nice drink and a candy, and that was a great way to top it off. Now we're gonna go get some lunch. We're all probably pretty hungry. It was pretty strenuous, so yeah, let's go eat.
All right, we just quickly finished lunch here, and we apparently have to meet back up at 1:10 in about 7 minutes. I'm not sure what's next on this trip. We may just be taking a boat back to the taxi to take us back to the hotel. This was supposed to be a full day thing, so getting back at like 3-4 o'clock might still technically be a full day thing, or we might also have like a cruise on the lake. So not sure what's going on.
So now we are here at the viewpoint for the glacier, and it's like a whole like path of boardwalks basically. There's lots of them. They go all the way down the hill. Great viewpoints, great photos. After this, I think we're just going back to the taxi, and the taxi's gonna take us back to the hotel. So we're almost to the end of our adventure here. We have 30 minutes to take photos here, and then that's when we'll head back. It's still very windy. Not super cold though, so that's nice. All right, let's go.
I actually did not realize how big this boardwalk area is. It's a lot bigger than you think. There's way more viewpoints. It's not just like one boardwalk with one viewpoint. I think there's a total of 3 different lookouts. So if you are planning on coming here and like you don't feel like you can do the glacier part of this hike, you can definitely come here and do this part of the hike, save a little bit of money, and you get to see pretty much as much of the glacier as you could possibly see. So great viewpoints here. All right, so we were right at that glacier, right there at the end where the soil touches the glacier. We hiked all of our hiking in that area, and the glacier is almost 5 kilometers wide, which is absolutely insane. It even goes behind those trees. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes all the way from that side, all the way over to that side. And where the glacier little cleaved off earlier, you can see how blue it is still right there. That's the video that we were able to get while we were standing there. It's a lot bigger in person. It's really hard to get a sense of scale on camera, but that area looks so small from this viewpoint. All right, we got to go back to the taxi so that we don't miss our time and we make it back to the hotel.
Yeah, it really is. I could just stand here all day and look at it. It's just so incredible, so massive. It really is. I mean, if you get the chance to come see a glacier in person, I highly recommend it. It's out of this world. So, all right.
Definitely messed up a little bit. I thought he originally said that we only had 30 minutes here, but we actually had an hour and 30 minutes here. So not bad. We got to spend a little bit more time looking at the glacier. However, my battery is going to die if it's not dead already. All right, we are going to run out to dinner. I think we're going to a place called Big Pizza here. I think it's a chain in Argentina, but it is something that we wanted to try. Honestly, I think I just want some pizza tonight. We do have, and empanadas. They do have empanadas as well. But I also think that this is going to be the end of this video. We have a video rendering here, so we're gonna try to spend a little bit of time on that tonight. I've got to get that uploaded and ready for tomorrow so it can be posted. But we're also going to be taking a flight tomorrow back to Buenos Aires. And since I think everybody has already seen that video, I don't think it's a good idea for us to remake basically the same exact video on the return trip. So we're probably not going to vlog tomorrow. It won't make a difference for anybody that watches our channel, just because you'll see the next video of us. But if we do get up to anything really interesting in Buenos Aires, we will talk about it. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you around, especially if you like travel content or anything like this. We do try to do really interesting things like this somewhat regularly. We try to post videos every week, so hopefully you'll have something interesting to watch on our channel every week. Oh, and I don't know if I want to give away the country that we're going to next.
Starts with the U.
Starts with the U, so guess. There's only so many. All right, we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Be kind, travel more. I know it may not be a big deal to some people, but I ordered this pizza entirely in Spanish, so I'm pretty proud of myself.